One day, a family had nothing to do at home and decided to go to a place of Dingalan. They left at 5 a.m. and went through the drive-thru of Starbucks to buy coffee because they had a long trip. They also installed an RFID tag because they were still stupid on the expressway. And this is what happened.
Mapakabit tayo ng RFID, boy. Hirap kasi pag kakabaka kami lagi pag dadaan ng expressway. Ay kami nakaganyan. So dito yung cash lane. Ano yung iyak. Eh, successful lang pagpapakabit.
Uy, wag mo kakitahin
Ah,
dyan.
bawal ba yun?
Siyempre, baby,
Eh,
may
hindi, tatakpan ko na lang yan. Panis! Pwede naman balagbag sa expressway. Balagbaga na!
Ayan na.
Let's go to Dingaling. Eh, lapit na tayo, Ilay. Ayun na, oh. Welcome to Laur.
Wala siya may video.
Hindi, lilipat ka dun.
Lilipat ako doon?
Oo. Punta na tayo.
Ba't ako nilipat mo?
Lipat ka lang.
And there they began to travel again towards their destination. Among the many beautiful views, they chose to see the place with Butas na Bato.
Ilay. Ah, may sipon. Sana all may sipon. Ah. Shh, Ilay. Shh.
And finally they reached the Ila Malaya, where they would spend the night. While they waited for the owner's permission, they first enjoyed the beautiful and quiet surroundings mixed with the strong wind.
Anak namin, oh. Nagsisikap mga ng sarili niya. Hindi na siya dumedi, baby. Hindi na dumedi.
Ano na?
Hindi na dumedi. Galing! Paano? Ilay! Ra! Asan ikaw? Explore ikaw dyan, oh. Oh, panis. Nagamit din sa wakas. Food trip. Uy, uhugin.
As night slowly approached, the wind gradually grew stronger, as if a storm were coming. But this family was undeterred because they really wanted to go camping.
Good night. Mag-i-sleep muna ako. Yung bossing namin, oh, tulog na. Good night. Shh, ilay, oh. Binabagyo tayo. Binabagyo ang mga person. So, ano? Binabagyo tayo, boy. Boy. Sumasabay ka pa, boy. Binabagyo na nga tayo, boy. Mga napapala ng gala. Binabagyo. Binabagyo tayo! Gusto pumunta sa mag-isda. Uwi na ba tayo, ha? Uwi na tayo, mabagyo. Mama, uwi na tayo.
Uwi na tayo?
Maya pag ano. Mga kasing ano mga bumabagyo talaga. Daming ano. Ang kapal ng ulap. Ang kapal ng ulap. Liwanag ng buwan, pare, oh. Ilay. 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 Shh. Sleep na ikaw, sleep na. Bukas naman. Jesus. Papa. Sleep na ikaw, bukas naman tayo magkulitan. Sleep na. Oo. Nalalabas. Morning. Good morning. Breakfast ikaw? Saan breakfast mo? Ito? Pangit. Walang lasa.
And now they decided to have breakfast first before leaving the beautiful beach where they were staying to spend the night.
Galing mo mag-drive ba? Isa pa nga. Isa pa. Drive na ikaw, dali. Beep! Lo! Hala ka! Babay na ikaw sa dagat, dali. Babay na ikaw. Alis na tayo. Ikaw mag-drive ha, pa uwi. Ilay. Ikaw mag-drive pa uwi ha. Bye-bye everyone. Goodbye. Yung mama mo nagtututbrush. Goodbye everyone. Sulit dito no, Ilay. Mura pa. Magkano nagastos mo, Ilay? Magkano nagastos mo, Ilay? Ibawas natin yung sa ano mo ha, sa pamasko mo ha, sa mga ninang-ninong mo ha.
Ibawas.
Ay, rinig pala tayo ng mama mo ha. Doon natin ibawas ha. Pati yung pinanggas natin ha. Nilay. Loko! Sino yun? Isa pa nga. Sige. Oy, wag yan. Shh, Ilay, wag yan. Babay na ikaw, babay na.
lang, baby.
Bye-bye! 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 Anong lugar nga to, baby? Goodbye, Dinggalan. Sabi mo, goodbye, Dinggalan. Solid ng ilog dito. Kadaanan lang namin. Pauwi. ₱20 lang yung entrance pa. Pwedeng hindi mag-cottage. Solid. Wala natin dito. Wow. Pare. Sobrang solid. ₱20 mo, may ganun ka na. Dang. Okay, uwian na. Pumarking lang kami saglit. Kasi may nakita kaming ilog. Oy, mag-swim tayo, huwag kang magulo. Tara na. Swim tayo? Ha? Swimming tayo? Ha? Oo, pakin. Doon mas maganda, baby. Hilay! Eh, malamig yung tubig. Meron. Ay, wala pala.
Ilag sa ilog. Piling ko lang ito sila. Wow. Wow. Maliligo si Eli? Siguro, kaya ni Eli? Ay, ang lamig, sobra. Oh, paalang niya.
My happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy.
Baby!
Happy,
Kaya kayo?
happy,
1, 2,
happy, 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 happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, happy.